Today, we will talk about how to get on House Hunters. Let's have a look at the details. House Hunters is a reality show on HGTV that follows individuals, couples, and families as they search for new homes with their realtors. If you're interested in being featured on House Hunters, you must submit a casting application to the show's producers at Pytown Productions. The first method is submitting a home buyer application. Navigate to the House Hunters subpage of Pytown Productions website. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the link for buyer application. Fill out the required fields. You must provide your full name, city and state, daytime phone number, and email address. You must also include a photo of yourself or your family. The image should be less than 10 MB in size. Complete the additional fields. You may be more likely to be selected if you provide as much information as possible. In addition to the required fields, consider filling in your address, age, and occupation. Verify your information and agree to the terms. There are two checkboxes at the bottom of the page. Check the first box to indicate that the information you're submitting is accurate and truthful. Check the second box to indicate that you agree with the terms and conditions. Then click the button to submit your application. Wait for a representative from Pytown to contact you. If your situation appeals to them, the producers will contact you. The second method is submitting a realtor application. Go to the House Hunters page of Pytown's site. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Then click on the link for real estate agent application. Give answers for all required fields on the online form. Give extra information in the additional fields. Provide as much information as possible. Confirm your information and that you agree to the terms. Wait for a representative to get in touch with you. If production is interested in your story, they will contact you. The third method is applying for special House Hunters programs. Inquire about House Hunters International. If you speak English and are looking to rent a vacation home or purchase a home outside the US, you can apply for House Hunters International. Send an email to househunterscasting@leoprodusa.com. Include details about you and your moving plans. Apply for House Hunters Renovation. House Hunters Renovation is a spin-off of House Hunters. The spin-off looks for soon-to-be homeowners of fixer-uppers in specific cities. Submit information for House Hunters outside the box. Pitch an idea. If you have a great idea for a show, but it doesn't quite fit into one of the House Hunters show categories, you can submit it to Pytown Productions as a new show idea. And the fourth method is improving your chances of getting noticed. Allow your personality to shine through in your application. The production looks specifically for individuals and situations that most viewers would consider interesting and entertaining. Show your quirky side. Every person is different, so showcase what it is that makes you unique. Keep in mind that whatever you do disclose may be aired publicly, so don't reveal things you'd be embarrassed about showing on TV. Be yourself. You want to display your uniqueness without going overboard, and while remaining true to yourself. Have fun and be energetic. If you land a phone interview and/or casting video, show high energy and make sure that you're enjoying yourself. If you're truly having fun, it will show. Make yourself available. Ensure that your phone will accept incoming calls from private or blocked numbers. Study reality shows. Watch House Hunters and other reality shows and pay close attention to certain features. For instance, the way characters develop on the show and the stories that are told through those characters. This will give you a good idea of what types of behavior and communication styles are desirable to producers. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.